which we are looking.
Nĩ thĩinĩ wa cikaro cia mbunge ya bũrũri kũrĩa minista wa kĩgĩna Ukur Yatani agwĩkinyĩtie nĩguo gũtarĩria wĩgiĩ bajeti nini ĩrĩa ĩraharĩrĩrio nĩ ministry ĩno. Bajeti ĩrĩa ĩratanya kuongerera mahũthĩro ma mwaka ũyũ wa kĩmbeca na mũigana wa ciringi birioni 80, ũndũ ũrĩa ũtuthũrire ũrugarĩ mũingĩ mbunge-inĩ.
We have noted a number of new projects that have been introduced in this budget, supplementary budget.
Cabinet directed realignment of 2019-2020 budget, particularly to look at the recurrent expenditure with a view of reducing and beef up certain projects that are very dear to the legacy of the current government, the Big Four plan.
You really wonder, 143 billion in new projects, all of them, the big buzzword now, Big Four, Big Four, Big Four.
And it is a consensus agreement in the cabinet.
Kĩũria gĩkĩ gĩkĩonekana gũthigitha minista Yatani akiuga atĩ thirikari rĩu ĩcokete honge-inĩ cia thirikari na kwanjĩrĩria kũrenga kĩgĩna kĩrĩa ciahetwo mbunge ya bũrũri na rũhonge rwa ũcirithania imwe cia iria cirongoreirio.
The National Treasury has mobbed close to 78.7, intends to mob 78.7 billion from the state corporation. I know how attached members of parliament are to CDF, but given the flow of revenue at the moment, these are areas that we also need to make sacrifice.
Touching CDF in this house, you just spoil the mood of everybody.
Through the whole budget, get your 5 billion from elsewhere, either reduce or increase, whichever you get, but leave CDF alone.
Yatani akĩhithũria ũritũ ũrĩa thirikari ĩragerera nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ itugĩ inya cia ũthii wa na mbere nĩ ciakinyanĩra.
Now you are bringing new projects and removing ones which are stored. So I want to hear, what is the policy, treasury policy in terms of stored projects?
I fully agree with you that maybe now, having taken such a long time in planning, there might be limited time to implement 100% the Big Four agenda.
It's like there's a 158 billion deficit, right? Which I did not hear how it's going to be financed.
You need to stop the thinking that supplementary budget is part of our culture. Supplementary budget is supposed to be for very unforeseen circumstances. Now, it is not for Naivasha Industrial Park because we knew it would happen. It was not for payment of SGR because we knew it would happen.
Mũmbunge wa Gatũndũ ya mũhuro Moses Kuria akiuga atĩ kũrĩ na ũhotekeku atĩ ũthondeki wa bajeti nĩ ũkoretwo na guoko kwa rũhonge rwa thingira wa iregi.
We are yet to be convinced that the fiscal deficit you are showing in the books is what is actually going to be there.
If PDU is trying to convert itself into an OMB, let them not shy away. Let them come here and we'll pass the supporting legislation so that we know that when we do the National Treasury, it is an exercise, it's a PR exercise.
Minista ũyũ nĩ atanyĩtwo gwĩkinyia rĩngĩ mbere ya mbunge kũheana ũtheri makĩria wĩgiĩ mũbango wa thirikari na mbeca. Rĩrĩ ndereti ĩno ĩtanyĩtwo gũtuthũra ũteti mũhiũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ matukũ-inĩ ma ica ikuhĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmani Wangũnjiri.